Welcome to Discount Water Supply YouTube videos. This is a SulfurBlock by WaterShield. I'm going to show you how to set the clock first. Here's a button that says Set Clock. Push the button, the hours flash. Change it to what you want with the up and down arrows. Push Set Clock again, the minutes flash. You can change it with the up or down arrows. Push it again, you're done. To perform a regeneration cycle now, you hold regen like that until you hear the motor start. At that point, you walk away and leave it. It'll finish out by itself and reset itself to automatic operation. If you want to fast forward back to service, you hold the regen button again until you hear the motor start. Now the SulfurBlock is in service. You will notice it says regen today and it is flashing. That's because it's going to regenerate today. That is normal. You want to see that. To go through the settings, if you have to change or check the programming, hold down next and up at the same time until you see that. Regen days is 1. That's normal. If it's anything else, change it to 1 with the arrows. Hit next. It regenerates at midnight. If it's some other time, regenerated at midnight. Hit next again, the minutes flash. Same thing. We want this to regenerate at midnight, so leave it like that. Hit next again, you're back to in service. Next level of programming, if you must, hold next and down until it changes. See the word filtering? That's normal. If you change the arrow, change it with the arrow, it says softening. But we're going to make this a filter because it's a SulfurBlock. Hit next again. First cycle, backwash, 8 minutes. That's normal. If it's not 8 minutes, change it with the arrows. Like so. Next again. Second cycle, down, brine, 60 minutes. It can be changed with the arrows. 60 minutes is normal. Next again. Cycle 3 should say off. If you see a number there, use your arrows, change it to the word off. Next again. Cycle number 4, rinse. Also you want it off. If it's anything else, make it off. Next again. Cycle 5, fill. Also off. If you see any other number, change it to off using your arrows. Hit next again. Regen off. Sounds strange? Leave it like it is. That is correct. Next again. Relay. Relay off unless you have a piece of equipment attached to this machine to operate with the relay. In this case, you do not. Next again. Back to time of day and regen tonight. That is how you check the WaterShield SulfurBlock controller. Have any questions, call Discount Water Supply. Here's the phone number. Here's the website. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.